Hi guys, here's how I made my fish roll. In a bowl you add your flour, sugar and baking powder, then butter. And you will mix all together till it is a bread crumb like. You mix, keep mixing, mix, mix, mix together. Then you add your cold water and you will mix, keep mixing till it forms a dough. You mix, 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 mix. I'm still mixing, mix again. Mix, 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 mix. Gently, oh. Then you mix. Okay. Now this is how you know your dough is ready, when your bowl is clean. Then you roll out your dough, add in your fillings. I used sardine for mine. Then you need egg wash too for your fish roll to make it more shiny, to make it shine. Then you cut it out. And I used water to seal my dough. Then you cut it out. I don't know how to roll out the perfect rectangle. Then you give it shape. That's all. Bye.